Hello, I want to welcome all my loyal customers back to the channel, a very stressy and depressing fourth week of school, and to wish you guys a very, very, very early Happy Halloween. It's nice to see you all again. Thank you for giving me the time of day and coming back to my channel. Even after watching my now 5th YouTube video, you decided that, hey, you wanted more stuff from me, so you came back to the 6th. Thanks. I also don't know if you noticed, but my hair grew into snakes, obviously, and I got a severe case of Minnie Mouse disease. That sprouted on my head a couple of days ago. But I went to the doctor and they said it's fine, I can cut it off. It'll be there for maybe an hour or so, around the time of this video. The video won't be an hour, I promise. But yeah, by the time I'm finished filming, I can just cut that off and I'll be okay. And my snakes have been pretty tame, so I think that everything will be okay as long as I don't make them angry. But aside from tales from my medical tragedies, all we're doing today is just a simple makeup video. Yep, just gonna turn on the bathroom light. I meant to say the camera. But yeah, turn on the camera, go to the bathroom, turn on the light, put on some makeup. Well, better makeup than this. I don't know if you can see, but here's what it looks like. Do you like? But yeah, I have to show you all the stuff in my bag first before we get the show on the road. So, let's see what brands I have amassed in my little makeup bag. Great! Now that you've met the gang, let's go put it on my face. Hi, we're in the bathroom. Let's get this show on the road. Alright everyone, let's see what makeup products we're going to slap on this baby tonight. I'm going to introduce them all backwards, so it's going to be lips to base instead of base to lips. If you're not okay with that order, leave. So first of all, we have our lip gloss. I don't like lipstick, it feels all dry, it feels like chalk. But yeah, lip gloss, it's pretty old, but it's a really nice shade of purple on me. I hope you guys will like it. You guys will like it, I'm sure you will. Next up, some eyeball color, or as humans call it, eyeshadow. Here are two little palettes I'm going to be using. If you can't see it, here, I'll put it a little bit closer. Oh, there we go. And if you still can't see it, I'll link it down in the description, I'll be nice. I was going to say something mean, but I won't do that, I promise. Next up is our eyeball stuff. They'll just poke out your eye if you're not careful, but if you have steady hands, they come out really nice. So, we have two mascaras. Oh, there we go. I'm going to be using this one mostly, but I like to show off my stuff, so have two. And along with those, we're going to be using some under eye glitters. These like to go into my eyeball and poison my bloodstream. And some blue eyeliner that my mother said looks really nice on me because I can pull off any color. Alright, last but not least, we have our skin stuff. So behold everybody, 1, stage makeup, and 2, little face wedges. No one uses face wedges anymore, I don't know why. These have great surface area, they're really big, so they make this go on your face a whole lot quicker. Stop wasting money on different types of brushes, like unicorn brushes or mermaid brushes. Just get yourself some wedges, they're 25 cents. And I'm not sponsored by them, but still, they're really good. Get them. Okay, and we gotta keep these on deck. Gotta keep makeup wipes just in case our face melts off. You don't want that, everyone. So, keep these on deck just in case. Okay, I'm done. Let's get started. By the way, I'm going to be starting with my eyes first instead of my skin because if I start with my skin makeup, then I'll have to touch my face to apply the eye makeup and that annoys me and I hate that. So eye makeup first, okay? Deal with it. I don't care. I don't care. Deal with it. So I'm going to talk about my life a bit, I guess, while I choose my first color. So I have been busy. I am a theater geek. I do a bunch of theater stuff, and yeah, I've been pretty busy with that. I just got into Bring It On in my school a couple of days ago. Days? Sorry, a couple of weeks ago. Practice has been going on for a few days, that's what I meant to say. And that is pretty stressful. Really. Yeah, as I'm in my understudy for 2 people, and they are 2 of the main roles in Jackson High School. So basically, if they're not here and I have to do it, everything will implode. I have to learn all of their songs, learn all of their dances eventually, and yeah, a whole bunch of other stuff that I didn't think I'd have to do, but I guess I'm doing it anyway, all for the love of my theater production program family. But yeah, also failing my math class. That's a fun highlight. Well, no, I'm not failing, but I don't have like, the best grade. Choose this one. I have a high C right now, and yeah, that's been like, kicking my butt for the past 4 weeks of school. Because I really want to do good. There is no reason for me to fail. I mean, like, it's school. All you do is just, you go there by whatever transportation you have. You do your work, you study, you make sure you get good grades. You find some fun stuff and some fun friends to suffer along with you. And then eventually you will possibly go to college or go to a trade school or, I don't know, just not go to higher education. Choose the job you love, and then you slowly make a legacy for yourself if you, choose that career path. But yeah, that's been kicking my butt. But all my other classes are pretty easy. I'm getting like straight A's except for pre-cal, and I'm very, very proud of myself for that. Alright guys, eyeshadow's done. Time for eyeliner. As you can see, I already did one eye just to save some time so that my video wasn't too long. And to save myself from looking into the big mirror and giving you all a nice sight of my back and shoulder and just a whole bunch of neck, we gotta do it really weird in the camera and hope it turns out right. I'm obviously gonna stare in the big mirror just in case to see if it looks right. But I think for now, let me go upstairs and check. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. I'll come back down in a few more seconds. Yep, that's good. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention something. Yeah, so I've been reading this book called The Evil Queen. Yes, I read it in my bathroom, shut up. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm reading this book called The Evil Queen. Got it from Barnes & Noble. It's a really cool book. It's about a girl named Everly and Hartley. One's Snow White, one's the Evil Queen. And yeah, this is essentially the origins about the Evil Queen. Thought it was gonna be like $5 and I get like basically a free book. But no, it was like $25. But like, $25 well spent. Very good book. Go get it. This is what it looks like. Alright, back to business. So I said I was going to be using the other mascara, but then I thought, nah. So I'm just going to be using my new mascara and my Elfu eye glitters that like to poison my bloodstream. Not going to do it on camera because it's going to take way too long. And I don't want you to see me all, suffer on camera. You don't deserve to see that. Not yet. We're not that close. So I'll be right back, actually. Hi, welcome back. As you can see, just did my eye glitters. I've been sufficiently poisoned. Right now I'm just finishing up the mascara. Turns out I don't like this mascara too much, so I'll have to take it back. It's a good thing to keep your receipts. Alright, I think we're done with that. Now time to move on to the base. It's a base. Oh boy, don't fall please, thank you. Alright, we take we're gonna start patting in a second. Alright, patting time. So, take this color right here, and start to go. I'm gonna be doing this pretty fast since I don't want this video to be super long. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take little breaks every now and then just to give you some little clips of my progress and maybe chat a bit about how tomatoes are really good. I understand why people don't like them. They're really nice. I could eat them all days, and especially cucumbers. Okay, there we go. Alright, first layer for now, I guess. So, you guys gonna do anything for homecoming? I was planning on just staying at home. Maybe, oh boy, that's a lot. I'll bring it out later. Yeah, maybe like, watch a movie with friends. But like last year, my friends and I like sort of went out for like, a pre-homecoming dinner. And I was thinking about doing it again with them because it was really fun the last time. Got burgers and everything. Got all carved up before I sat for 3 hours trying to find friends in the middle of 2,000 people. Yeah, you can imagine how well that went. But yeah. Dang it. Oh well, I could fix something. But still. Yeah, I didn't like homecoming too much. People like hype it up and stuff, and there's like YouTube videos about it, so I might do like homecoming makeup, but that's about it. But yeah, no homecoming for me. Alright. Yeah, I boycott it, it's bad. My school doesn't do a very good job. I'm so sorry if you're watching this school, but it's not bad, but it's just not to my taste, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna stop dissing my school. Okay, I'm done. Actually, so now apply the blush. That's a nice rosy red. This is another random thought, but I love my friends. They're so sweet. Even though, like I said before, about exactly 1 minute. That's not even. It's very red on the apple, but not on the rest. Yeah. Like I said before, I'm not a very personable person, unfortunately. But I hope my best friends know that I love them to bits. I consider them all my best friends. Wish I could tell them that in person. I think they're subscribed to me, so they're gonna see it. Love you guys. But yeah, just wanted to tell you all that. So that you know that I'm not a zombie with no emotion. I have friends. And I love my friends. Okay, I think my skin is done. Wait. Oh, I forgot to contour. 1 minute. Hey, yeah, so my camera decided to turn off. It was just being a real mean little goober. So I couldn't show you my contour, which I didn't do much of because I actually didn't care. I looked pretty good without it. But yeah, it's like right there. It's like those two like little blurry shadow thingies. I don't know how to contour, so I didn't do it. But yeah, I'm actually almost done with this look. Last but not least, is lips. Not sponsored, but yeah, we're gonna put on some lippy from that. Got this a while ago. I haven't used it in a while because I thought, oh boy, I didn't think this through when I got this color. But yeah, I think for this, purpley, galaxy, glittery look, I think it's gonna be pretty good. So, gonna apply it. One of the last things that we're gonna do tonight. It's getting pretty late, so I gotta go soon. But yeah, gonna put this on. Oh, by the way, the color is called purple. We'll go with purple. Or like orchid or something. Yeah, the sticker decided to fall off the bottle and, sink itself into the abyss. So the official color is gone. And all we have is purple. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Almost done. And move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're done, everybody. I'm done with this makeup look. Hey guys, I am very disappointed. For my price to pay for pleasing all of you guys, my bathroom's a mess. Look it. That's not cute. This is all your fault. But I am glad you're happy and I am glad you watched this. I'll see you back in my room for the actual goodbye. Woo! I am here. I am here to say goodbye to you all. Thank you for coming back to my video. I know I uploaded this so fast, but yeah, I was eager to get this all out to you, and I'm very, very glad that you all decided to come back. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, post, share it all, do all the YouTube stuff. Press the big red button down there. There's going to be 2 little videos up there, like whoop, whoop, and a little subscribe button right in the middle. Hi. So you won't be able to miss it, and you'll have to do what I say. Alright, well, thank you for coming back to Virtual Cheese Emporium. We hope to see you again, everybody. Goodbye! Mwah.